The Walt Disney World Railroad transports guests 1.5 miles around the Magic Kingdom, from Main Street, USA to Frontierland. The romantic era of the locomotive is preserved in these classic engines, with their brilliant red wheels and sparkling brass trim. Walt Disney's interest in trains went back to his boyhood days when he sold papers, candy, and fruit on the Santa Fe Railroad. Locomotives on the Walt Disney World Railroad were originally built by the Baldwin Locomotive Works in Philadelphia between 1915 and 1928. The steam engines were operated in the Yucatan jungles of Mexico, where they were discovered by Imagineers in 1969. They were eventually converted from wood to oil burners for use at the park. The name of the miniature railroad Walt Disney had in his backyard was the Carrollwood Pacific. It served as the inspiration for the authentic steam locomotives of the Walt Disney World Railroad.